YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do today. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We shall see what's inside. And all you gotta do is check them out. Click my link down below, which is my affiliate link. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And we have here, oh boy. This is coming from AOSU, solar powered wireless security camera. They have great cameras. I have the smaller ones. I did a video like a month ago or a couple weeks ago. Really good company. Great quality for home security protection. 360 panoramic panel view. Wi-Fi connected. Motion activated LED spotlights. LED. Full color day and night security siren. Weather resistant design. So waterproof for all types of weather. And you get everything in the box. Camera, position sticker for mounting purposes, solar panel, mounting bracket, screws, another bracket, start guide, charge cable, and security sticker. And there's an app for the Google and iOS. Live view, Ultra HD, real time, two-way talk, smart motion alerts. So you could like set your boundaries, I guess. In case you want an area protected, you just pick this one. You can select what area you're gonna want it secured. You know, you could install this in your garage, your shed. I don't know, maybe even a car. I see people doing those now. So your choice. All you gotta do is click them down below. Place your order. Really easy. Hopefully easy to set up. About to test it out. I'm not sure I'm going to install this yet, but I'll find a spot probably. There we go. There we go. Get this, pop that. There's the security sticker. There's the manual. And here comes the solar. Ooh, nice and shiny. Got some panels for sure. There's where the bracket goes. Plug this into the camera. USB style. Got the waterproof sealer good. We got the unit now. Right there. Anything else probably at the bottom. Nope, we got everything. Here's the brackets. There we go. Ting ting. Up. A USB. And a bracket to swivel. Put this to the side right there. So that's all the goodies that we got. This. Oops. And that's where to measure it, mount it, wherever you're gonna install it. Got the screws. Got the panel. Got the manual. Got the sticker. Ooh. Make sure you peel the sticker off right here. Bada boom. What is that? Glue here? Residue from glue. Out of there. Yeah, I think it's from the sticker. There we go. It should be good to go. make sure that's clean. So probably goes like that. Got the eye in the sky. Yeah, my house is covered with cameras. My neighbors think I'm nuts. But I'm not like those type of people. But it's always good to be a few steps ahead of the bad guy, just in case ever that happens. Hopefully it never does, but you never know, you know? Here we go. So there's a speaker right there. QR code. Really nice though. Got the tilt. So hookup is pretty simple. Take this, stick this, and connect. Come on, there we go. Don't be shy. And then take the sealer, and there you go. So we could set this up easily indoors right now. But like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to install it in the house, but it's all good. As long as we get to see how it operates and looks and test it out to the max. So you could do it this way, I do believe. Something like this. So we got that. Have it like that. And then this goes like here. Gotta run it through, so make sure you run the wires through that way and then mount it like that. Pretty easy. But like I said, I'm not sure where I'm gonna stick it yet. I'm gonna grab my... Oh yeah, I already got the solar cam, so I already got the program on my tablet. And there's QR to set up. Well, like I said, I already have the other cams running. I'll be right back. So the app is called AOSU. That's what you download. And it's easy to set up. You know, they'll ask you email. Then they'll send you confirmation and stuff. So check your spam or your promos. And then this is other cameras that I got from them. Hello. And I mean, these are really nice quality cameras. They've got everything Ultra HD and all that. So once you click on the link, it'll take you to, you know, their store, and then you can choose the cameras. But right now, we're going to install this one. So up here, the plus. Ready to scan. Please scan the QR device. Okay. Let me get this turned on. See, the power button is right to the right.
Hello.
Huh. Alright. She's awful chirper. There we go. Look at that. Shows it right away. So this should be a very easy connect. I heard the hello. The blue light is flashing. Let's see, where is the blue? Yep. See the blue? It's flashing. Here we go. It is connecting. I gotta turn on the Bluetooth. There we go. Wi-Fi. Let me pause you guys because I gotta enter my password.
Is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
There we we go.
Save settings successfully.
That's a good sign. Oh, I feel it vibrating. Ooh. All right. See, it's doing a motion. We'll just do it in. Whoa. This is trippy. Garage for now. Okay. I don't need to use it. There we go. Garage. I just want to make sure. I need to clean that screen. Whoa. Dang, that's clear. Really nice. Alright, we got Ultra HD on. Hello. Okay, there we go. Here comes an alarm. Alright. Let me see if I could balance this a little bit more so you guys could see it too. Illumination. Whoa. That's really nice. Oh, there I am. You guys can't see me. Look at that. So much brighter. Really nice. You can see the ring. Really cool. Alright, alarm, fold, 360 control, you can see it right there. Now let me zoom in, or zoom out. There we go. It's really nice and smooth. Make sure you close this too if you install it outside. Like I said, great for your home, your small business, your main business, your car, garage, wherever you need protection. Or an extra eye. This is always a good thing to get. Why is it split? You could, hold on. I had someone at the door. Sorry about that. You could take a screenshot, record, and it'll save to your gallery. You can always send it to a family member or somebody. And now here comes the oh, that's too much zoom. There we go. AI surveillance. We got human detection. That's a good thing. And also intrusion. Settings you can set all day, every day. You can customize it. Vehicle detection, pet detection. Alright, so we got everything here you need to know. You can use Alexa and then Google. Check the firmware. Check the new version. Upgrade now. So that's going to take a minute. But there you have it. Easy peasy. You can use iOS, Android, so you're good to go. Use tablets, your iPads. So all set here. AOSU. Check them out. Be safe.